Hey guys, how are we all? Okay, so I'm back here again. You wouldn't notice because this is your first time seeing it, but I've had to remake one. Kind of got the head messed up. But today I'm making a killer clown using a mask. You can see the general idea of it. He doesn't have a backstory, and I'll go more into that later. So let's just get into it, and I'll probably fast forward a little bit, and then you'll see exactly everything, and I might even have a little special thing for the end. So be excited for that.
Alright, so I'm voicing over this now, live, by the way. So, what I'm trying to do, right, is I'm trying to make my clown be very parallel. So what I'm going to do, right, is I'm going to be very precise. I'm doing the eyes right now, so I'm going to be putting dots at the top and the bottom of different sides of the eyes. Yeah, so I'm going now. Also, a little bit with the backstory, might as well get into it now, so when things happen later on, I can make it easier for you. Basically, my clown came from a really religious, cult-like church. So his father was pretty strict, and he wasn't a very good priest, because the father was a priest. Yeah, so the priest was a bit abusive. So later on, he's like, the kid says he's gay, right, to the priest. And since the priest is really religious, he doesn't accept this. So basically, they get in a fight, and then the father lashes at him. So the kid accidentally kills his father in the fight. So there's a knife nearby. So then, so then he escapes, right? And he's been hiding for a while. But then he really enjoyed the rush of killing. So then he decided that he was going to join the circus and pick people off individually, while getting paid to be a clown. So, especially the fact that he could wear a mask to hide his identity really helped him out. And they put lipstick on, a little bit of blush on the side. Anyway, so yeah, he's escaped, and then that's what he's doing. So a lot of his representation is about sin, because he came from a cult-like household. So on his mask, later on you'll see it's going to say sinner. So basically he's representing the sin that he did to his father, because he feels guilty even though he enjoyed it. So, yeah. So basically he's going around killing people, but he's doing it for, rebellions, but he's also understands that he's sinning and that he's doing the wrong thing. You know, as you can see, I've added a nose to have a little bit red of stereotypical clownness. I've added blush with a little bit of red paint. Also the lips, they're red. I found lipstick. Adding that to the paint is actually really effective, because it gives it more of a shine, I suppose. So if you want to make your own, that's a good idea. Now, so you can see the identical parts, and I got my previous mask too, see the difference. And if you just notice here, I dropped it in paint. So I was freaking out, as you could see, stress in my face. So then I was like, hey, I have this huge blob of red paint on his head. So I just decided to draw a line. Pretty effective, if you ask me. Yeah, so there you are. See, it's all identical. So it's trying to make it look like if I split it in half, it looks the same on the other side. So I'm just working on it more, comparing it. And then for some reason I raise it up in a second. Yeah. A sec, yeah. So I'm just trying not to get it, yeah, there. And it's about to show you. And, hold up. Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure that everything's good. And I'm practicing on that. And there you go. Also I added a text on the head saying, I'm a sinner. Okay, now I've got a little bit of a trailer to show you. I just made it for fun. So yeah, enjoy.
I'm a sinner.